Today I'll show you how to create a webinar landing page in 3 steps. Let's get into it. We'll navigate into the univid.io website. I'll leave a link in the description. Then you can press try for free. Here we have the option to input our URL to create our webinar design for us. I'll input univid.io here and we'll wait while the design fetches. Alright, we'll now navigate into the sidebar here, into the design section. Here we could simply add a background of our own, so I'll add a gray one here, and the same goes for the splash image. The background will actually follow to the registration page. Now we've added both the splash image and the webinar background. We can also view what the participant would see when they enter the webinar. This looks pretty good, I think. So now we can go into the info section here and add the copy as the second step. Basically the text you want to add and also the images and names of the speakers. So I'll add also my colleague here, Ekan, to this, and I'll add the title here as well to make it look good. I'll also add a custom image for me there as well. Alright, we got our images, and let's now go in here and configure the description for the webinar. So I'll prepare one here, and this will be the text on the landing page, which we can preview here in a second. And we can also put a title, let's say host webinars like the top 1%, and we'll save. So now we can actually preview the landing page. We'll go into access and registration, and we can see that we have a registration page per default created also for us. And we can simply press view here, and just like that we have a sign up page that is ready to have people register for our webinar with simply by filling out this info and press register. Then they will actually also get some reminder emails automatically, so that's nothing you have to think about configuring. You can still configure those if you want here, and you could have your sender name and then add some information about those and preview them as well. And I'll add a screenshot here of what they look like. Also, an optional step 4 here is to edit the form. So you could have your own fields. For example, let's say you want to figure out the company role, for example, of the person signing up. You could add that and add that as a required question and add that field. This could be multiple choice questions, radio buttons, and all of that too. You save, and then that will be updated in real time. If you want to use your own registration pages through, let's say, HubSpot forms or HubSpot landing pages, that's totally possible. And you can simply press custom landing page here. You could input that there. And also make sure to integrate the organization, so all of your webinars will have engagement data flow back and forth in between, let's say HubSpot, Salesforce, Lyti, or Upsells. So here you have that, and you can see that we have already connected our organization. If you're interested in the 7 best examples of landing pages for webinars, we have created a video for that here, so feel free to check that out. Also, the Wig Webinar Software Guide I would recommend to check out if you're in the plans of running webinars. Hopefully now you have a webinar landing page ready for your upcoming webinar and ready to roll. So yeah, let me know if there are any questions down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!